Welcome to Python tutorial, lesson 37. Today we build CLI Applications, command line tools in Python. We start with argparse, then click, and finish with rich. Three libraries, from basic to beautiful terminal output. argparse is built into Python. No install needed. ArgumentParser handles help text, flags, and typed arguments. addArgument defines each option with type, default, and help text. We install click and rich, then create a sample text file for our tool to analyze. Now we create argparsebasics.py. We import argparse and counter. ArgumentParser takes a description and epilogue. File name is positional. No dash prefix needed. 3 boolean flags with store true. Search takes a string, top takes an integer. Parse args reads the command line, then we open the file. Each flag prints its result only when the user passes it. Search counts how many words match, case insensitive. Top N uses counter to find the most common words after stripping punctuation. Let us review the complete file. About 50 lines, clean separation of argument setup and processing logic. First we run --help to see the auto-generated usage message. Now, with the lines and words flags, only those counts are printed. Finally, search for Python and show the top 3 most common words. Click replaces argparse with Python decorators. click.group creates subcommands like git add or git commit. Click.style adds color and bold to terminal output easily. Let us create click.app.py for an employee directory tool. We import Click, our third-party library. Employee data is a dictionary. 4 people at 4 companies. Click.group is the main command. Subcommands attach with decorators. The list command takes an optional department filter. Click echo print styled output. Search takes a positional name argument and checks for partial matches. If no match is found, click.style prints a red error message. Info uses click.Choice to restrict the format option to short or full. Full format adds email and key fields, otherwise just department and role. The main block calls call CLI to start the Click application. Let us review the complete file. Decorators define the interface. No manual argument parsing needed. Help shows the 3 subcommands: info, list, and search. List shows all employees with colored names and departments. Filtering by engineering returns only Alice and Bob. Searching for Alice finds the match and shows her email. Full format for Bob adds email and key to the short output. Rich makes terminal output beautiful, with colors and formatting. Table creates structured data with styled columns and rows. Panel wraps text in a bordered box with a title. Let us create rich report.py for a sales dashboard. We import console, table, panel, and box from the rich library. Sales data stores 4 reps with quarterly dollar amounts. Panel fit creates a bordered header with cyan bold text. Table setup adds columns for each quarter, right justified with yellow styling. The loop adds a row per representative. Dollar formatting uses colon comma for thousands. Grand total sum each column. Add section draws a divider line. Print table sends the formatted table to the console. Summary finds the top performer and calculates the average per rep. Let us review the complete file. About 60 lines. Rich markup tags control colors inline. The output is a formatted table with panels and colors. Charlie is top performer. The summary panel shows totals and averages. Rich handles all the formatting right in the terminal. Let us recap CLI Applications. ArgParse creates CLI tools from standard Python. Click uses decorators for clean subcommands. Rich renders tables and styled panels. Together, they cover argument parsing to beautiful output. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. Next time we build REST APIs.